So here we go, the good old Toyota Land Cruiser LC200, hard-working truck this one. It's actually owned by a well-known Australian identity in the movie scene. Lives up here in the Highlands, lovely gentleman. Anyway, here's the exhaust system. We've just upgraded it to the Vortex system. It's 4 inches, I think it is, out the back here. If we come along the line, we'll find the Vortex muffler itself from Taipan. Go a little bit further, you come across 3-inch pipes into the main joint here. You've got a flex joint, and of course you've got the high flow cats, and these bolt straight onto the back of the turbocharger with new dump pipes. Pretty hard to see, but there they are up in there. They're ceramic coated. The idea of ceramic coating is to obviously reduce radiated heat, so you get less heat at the hot spot radiating out. Also can last a little bit longer as well because it's a bit more durable to the heat. And of course this is all the way through from top to bottom. Surprisingly won't be very noisy. Obviously he doesn't want it to be noisy, hence it's got a big sort of a hot dog style of resonator as well down the back here. All set to go. Lovely big pipe. We'll give it a start up and do a bit of a video on what it sounds like later on. You can see more of these videos if you keep watching our Facebook. Look us up on Instagram, watch our YouTube channel, or of course get more information about looking after your diesel, your work truck like this one, at berrimadiesel.com.